All right, we do have sunshine aplenty out there in the Devil's Lake Basin. Thanks to our friends at Home of Economy for providing us that view. Temperatures this morning, take a look at this. We have mid 40s out there, and this is notable because tomorrow morning, we started the day near 50 here in the FM area. We'll be closer to 70 degrees. So overnight temperatures, we're not going to be very warm. And at our high temperatures day, we're sizzling out in the James River Valley, Carrington to Jamestown, 88 degrees there, 91 in Oaks. And the harvest continues. Thanks so much to all of you who've shared and uploaded photos of the combines out there, the producers producing across the valley. And now a look at our forecast. As we're going to see these blue skies changing here, even in the next few hours, we're expecting smoke to build back in on a transitional forecast that we'll be going through. Let me spell it out right now. 85 degrees in Fargo-Moorhead, a degree cooler at Moorhead's Airport. Dew points are in the muggy 60s out there. That's a little sticky. South-southeast winds gusting over 20 miles per hour. Grand Forks 83. Your wind 17 miles per hour. The coolest air in Orange here, mid 70s in Roseau, Baudette 78, 77 in Bemidji. We warm it into the low to mid 80s up and down the Red River Valley. And then out to the west, we still have 88 in Oaks. And look at that pink bubble in the lower left there with the white. That's triple digit heat just out there in southwestern parts of North Dakota. Eastern Montana also seeing that, and they're also seeing some thunderstorms rolling out of the Rockies heading into the Billings area. Severe thunderstorm there. Cold front is heading our way, and it's going to bring some changes. And by the way, there are a lot of fires out here in Idaho, the mountains of western Montana into Oregon, and the flow of the upper atmosphere is causing that smoke to drift in our direction tonight. You can actually visualize this in a visible satellite. The column of air above Bismarck showing that pall of smoke making its way in that general easterly direction. It's heading our way, folks, and here's a look at your forecast. And we've turned on our high definition smoke forecasting model for the surface, so you can see where we might start to notice an increase. Here where you see the haziness, that's where it will be tonight by 10 o'clock. 70 still. South winds still around 15 miles per hour. So it'll be a breezy evening, but warm. Now, as I set this into motion overnight, you're not going to notice much change with regards to the temperatures. We're going to stay near 70, but you will see a chance of some spits of rain. This will not be widespread, and it'll mainly be north of Highway 2 as we start the day with passing showers up north. Now, the rest of us will have that smoke building into the atmosphere. And again, where you see the darker colors here, that's where we'll see some of that smoke mixing its way down to the ground. That's heading our way as we head into the midday hour. So from Devil's Lake to Grand Forks and Fargo-Moorhead, some showers exit, but the smoke makes its way in. In the afternoon, a cold front approaches. Check out the temperature differences here. 64 in Rolla, near 84 in Alexandria. The heat will be from Fargo and points south and east. That's where we'll have mid 80s to near 90 degrees, but the cold front will really make a huge difference. Hit and miss showers, a few rumbles of thunder, and then the shower chances will continue. Gusty north winds will start to really shoo the smoke out of here as we go through the late hours of your Thursday. Hit and miss showers and thunderstorms will last into the evening, particularly south and points east, but the cool will stick around and impact your forecast for the next couple of days after. 69 first thing in the morning here in the FM area. Warm it up to 83. We're going to be right on that boundary to where we see some, upper 80s to the south and to the east. Smelly smoke in the forecast. That'll clear out late. Gusty north winds late in the day. Here's where in the 5 o'clock hour things will be cooler. Low 70s up north, upper 70s here in Fargo, and 80s down south in the 5 o'clock hour. Passing showers and storms will be most likely in the evening. Check out the head on this combine out here. Sandy, thanks for the Perham area photo. That's a black bean harvester there. Getting her done. Here's a look at your forecast. 68 on Friday and a cool start to the weekend. How about that 48 to start your morning Saturday? 72 on Sunday, and we stay in the 70s next week. So tomorrow, a day of change. We go from the 80s down into the 60s.
I'm liking it.
I don't mind it.
No, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Thanks.
2 out of 3 is not bad. Later on Valley News Live at 6, new COVID-19 boosters. We'll tell you what you need to know.